Hello and welcome to my vlog. Today we have DJI Mavic 3 Pro. As you can see it, we just received the Fly Mode combo with the DJI RC controller. And we're gonna do the unboxing. All right, so they have improved it a little bit. I don't remember the last one, but they have this green thing here to pull off, but I can't catch it. So I think we have to simply use a cutter to open the box. Here we go. Yeah, no squeaky notes, nothing. All right, okay. So we have this green thing we can pull off. A little copy from Apple, maybe. Okay, let's see what we have inside. It's a big bag. All right, usual. Okay, this one is improved from DJI Mavic 3. In Pro, they have a different one, so this clip is much better than the previous one. We'll come back to this one later on. Let's see what else we have in the box. All right, so the box goes down. We have this, I think it's accessories. So we'll go to the accessories first. What we have? Okay, so the power cable, which is, I believe, a US power cable. You can see that. Another power cable, European plug, another power cable. Okay, so we have these two flat pins. I believe they are US. And oh wow, we have another connector. I never used it. Then we have this UK plug. Okay, one more European plug. Look right, we have 7 power cables. Seriously, wow. 3 of these ones, 2 of the Europeans, and the one from the UK. Surprise. What is this? Quite heavy. Let's get everything out. Okay, I think these are the filters. Yeah. Nothing in the box, it's empty. Let's open this one first. It's quite heavy. Okay, we have two USB-C power brick, and I believe it's a 100-watt power brick. Yes, correct. That's a 100-watt, which means you can charge at least 20 minutes faster than the standard time, which is 90 minutes. With this one, it should be 70 minutes of a charging time. Then we have ND filters. I believe so. Yes, we have 4 ND filters, 8, 16, 32 and 64 as usual, just like you get it in DJI Mavic 3. So the Pro has the same structure. All right, so these things goes on the side. Now it's time to open the mystery box. I'll call it the mystery box. All right, this is quite fancy, soft, much better than the Mavic 3. That bag is quite hard in a sense that. So we have a pocket here, and we have this Class C tool with low speed mode. All right, so drone notifications. Some silicone patches. What do we have here? I believe these are the spare propellers. What we got? Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it? There are 8 propellers. So 4 of them are from the B class and 4 of them from the A class. So you know the combination. The A goes one on the front and one on the back, and then B goes on one at the front and one at the back. So yeah, that's how these propellers work. So these are the 8 spares. Yeah, that's beautiful RC controller. Now let's open this one. Have a look. Nice, beautiful grip, beautiful color. All right, so we have these controller knobs on the bottom, which we can install like this, and I'll put it aside. And then we have another one, which we can install like this. So we have these 2 controllers, the power button, accessory button. So that we have this cinema and the normal and the sport mode button, which you don't get it in a controller where you need to have a phone. Then these are the 2 buttons for the customization, and yeah, we have a USB-C charger, and then we have a slot for another USB-C where you can plug in a microphone. Long debate if you want to record anything over the screen, not in the drone footage, but on the controller footage. So you can put a memory card here. And these 2 screws are for a band you can buy from eBay or some Amazon online, which you can hold it in your neck if you want to. And this is a heat sink. So this grip is quite, I would say it's satisfying. Okay, what's next in the mystery box? We have these 2 USB-C cables. Okay, we have this. So this is a battery charger, so you can put 3 batteries on this one. So you can have 3 batteries in this one. You can charge them together. I believe I have the 2 batteries here, then one is going to be in the drone itself. Yes, so we have 2 batteries. You can, it has only one USB-C port, which means you can only charge the batteries. You cannot charge anything else along with this one. But if you need to charge the drone, so you can plug one cable to this one and another cable can go to the drone. So you can charge all 3 batteries and the drone all together. So we have one more battery here, which I'm not getting out right now. Yes, there is nothing in the box now. Okay, so where is the actual product? Let me tell you. All right, here you go. Here is the actual beast, the Mavic 3 Pro. That looks beautiful. I remember the Mavic 3 has a leather kind of a cover here, but this one is a plastic material. I don't know if it is improvement or downgrade, but let's see. This is plastic, some different material. There's a clips, but not bad, not bad. So what we have here? So we have this new camera system. It has 3 cameras over here. Before the Pro 3 Pro, we used to have 2 only in the Mavic 3. And we have this, okay, let me open it and I'll show you. The stickers need to be removed, so I have not removed anything yet. So yeah, that's how it look like. Not sure if you can see it. It says 82 decibels of noise. It's backward cameras and the sensors. It has the sensors upward, and then we have these sensors in the camera on the bottom. And as usual, there is a battery installed already, which is this one. And we have this, just like in Mavic 3 Pro. Mavic 3 Pro has a USB-C port and a memory card slot, so you can put more storage over here. It has a built-in 8 GB of storage. Now, this looks better. So if we compare this one with Mavic 3, it's a little bit heavier than the Mavic 3. Mavic 3 was 895 gram and this one is 958 gram. So the weight is a little bit high, but if you go to a Pro sign, then the weight goes a little bit more up, like 4 gram only. It's 963 gram as a weight. So I'm just looking at the comparison. So the flight time claimed in DJI Mavic 3 was 46 minutes. In this one, it is 43 minutes. So it has gone down. And maximum hovering time The Mavic 3 had a 40 and this one is 37 minutes only. The maximum flight distance is less than the Mavic 3's. It was 30 kilometer before, now it's 28. So there are a lot of improvements in other things, but some things look like being downgraded. I don't know why. Uh, yeah, this medium tele camera is a new addition, the 48 megapixel, which was not present in Mavic 3, but now it is present in Mavic 3 Pro. And as I mentioned before, the charging time is quite good. You can basically charge all three batteries in 70 minutes. That's what they claim, I believe. Uh, yes. So if you use a 100-watt charger, then it's a 70 minutes. But if you use a 65-watt charger, then it's 96 minutes charging time. Okay. And the RCN1 charging a mobile device. I have no idea why they are saying there's a 6 hours and a 4 hours when charging and when not charging with a mobile device. All right, that's it for today. So hopefully we will have our first flight soon, and we'll make another video. By that time, please subscribe to my channel and enable the notifications so you can see that the new video is online. Thank you very much.